Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy. Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be bossy. Without further ado, I'm introducing Saucy.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making stuffed pancakes. The ingredients that you're going to need today are 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and your stuffings. I'm using turkey bacon, low sodium, and also turkey sausage patties. But you can use whatever you would like to put into your pancakes. You can also use blueberries, whatever you like. Okay guys, I have my turkey bacon frying up in the pan. I'm using 6 slices. If you're cooking for a large amount of people, you just want to double up on all your ingredients. Okay guys, now that the turkey bacon is done, I went ahead and got my turkey sausages and I just put them in the same pan. So we're going to go ahead and fry them up now. Okay, our sausages and our turkey bacon is done. So now you guys should have all your ingredients measured out. Next step, you're going to go ahead and get a bowl and a whisk, and we're going to go ahead and put all our dry ingredients in to make our batter. Okay guys, I have my bowl. I'm going to add all the dry ingredients to it. We have the flour, the sugar, our salt, baking powder. Now we're going to take our whisk and just mix it very good until everything is mixed thoroughly in there. Okay. Now I'm going to take my bowl and make a little indentation. Now I'm going to add my milk, all our wet ingredients, my egg, vanilla extract, and also our melted butter. Okay guys, take your whisk and make sure you get that very well incorporated, all the wet into the dry. Okay guys, I have the batter all mixed. This is the consistency it should be. Now you know your batter will thicken as it sits. And I'm going to be using the half a cup measuring tool. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and cut up our bacon and our sausage. Okay guys, I have our sausage and our bacon cut up. I now have our butter melting in the pan, and we're going to get ready to add our batter. Okay guys, I'm going to take my scooper and I'm going to add this to the frying pan. Okay guys, I've added my pancake mix. Now all you do is spread your stuffing in, just like so. Give it a couple minutes and then you want to go ahead and turn it over. Okay guys, I've turned it. Wait a few minutes, then we're going to take it out, and all you do is repeat the process. Okay guys, my next pancake, I added the sausage and bacon together on it. Okay guys, this is my third pancake. That's all I need to make for me. I'm going to go ahead and add our breakfast sausage onto this one. Hey guys, there you have it. Stuffed pancakes. I hope you guys liked my video. If you did, please hit the like button and please subscribe. And we're going to watch the syrup go all the way on there. So thank you guys again. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. See you next time.